classic maple snare drum is 5.5 by 14 inches. This drum features an 8 by 7 millimeter all maple shell. It has brass tube lugs, sound dark hoops, 20 strand super sensitive high carbon steel snares.
This drum just has a warm, throaty, just rich, really inviting sound. We thought this drum sounded great applied to rock and pop styles, classic rock. You could use it for jazz as well. And it sounds really, really good playing all kinds of shuffle styles. Just a wonderful, warm sounding traditional wood snare drum.
This drum would be great for a lot of musical applications, but it seems to speak best with jazz, rock, blues. It's got a rich, warm sound. It's got a lot of clarity. Maple is one of the prominent woods in the drum market today, and this really exhibits all the properties you would expect out of a maple drum. Thanks for checking out the classic maple snare. Maybe this drum provides the sound you want.